Hey guys, let's see how to apply the Hostinger coupon code using the link. No code typing needed. To start getting the absolute best price on a powerful, dedicated solution like VPS hosting, perfect for high-traffic websites, custom applications, and maximum server control, you need to click the Hostinger coupon code link in this video description. This link will take you directly to the Hostinger website and automatically apply the maximum discount. By clicking the link in the description, you secure an extra 20% off on all types of hosting that Hostinger offers, including web, cloud, VPS, and especially the powerful KVM-based VPS plans. Plus, clicking the link ensures you unlock essential VPS benefits like guaranteed resources, full root access, and expert 24/7 customer service right after your purchase. For this video, I am choosing the KVM2 VPS plan, which is our most popular option. This is the one currently priced at around 499 rupees per month. Now, you can see how much discount you will get from Hostinger's current sale. But, this is not the final offer. Because you clicked the link in the description, you will get an extra 20% discount on top of the sale price. Without the link, you only get the standard Hostinger sale discount, so don't forget to click the link. Next, scroll down and look for the KVM VPS hosting section. There are 4 options available, and we are choosing the popular KVM2, priced at around 499 rupees per month. Click the Choose Plan button for that option. The next step is the order summary page. Here, you need to choose the billing period. The billing period is the most important part. Hostinger does not offer the discount for your renewal, so choose the longest available billing period, which is 24 months for this VPS plan, to maximize your initial savings and save more money. Next, in the order summary, you can see the referral discount 20%. This is because of my link working automatically for you. Look closely. That 20% discount alone should show you have instantly saved around 2,400 rupees on your purchase. Now, hit the continue button. Use a fresh email only and set a strong password. Once done, you will be redirected to the payment page. Complete your payment. You will receive an email confirmation, and that's it. You have claimed the Hostinger deal with the Hostinger coupon code link. It is very simple in just 2 minutes of work. Enjoy your new KVM2 VPS plan with your significant savings, full root access, and included 24/7 expert customer service. Bye.